Welcome to Simple Health Chef. 4 fun, easy, and healthy recipes. I am Guy from California, United States. Remember, SLS means subscribe and like and share in Facebook and WhatsApp. Rate the video 1 to 10 in the comments. The recipe today is chocolate almond cookies. Food writers often praise chocolate almond cookies for their irresistible combination of rich chocolate, crunchy almonds, and the optional addition of strawberries for an extra burst of fruity flavor. These cookies not only satisfy your sweet cravings but also offer some nutritional benefits. Here's a description of the benefits, ingredients, and cooking instructions for chocolate almond cookies with optional strawberries. Benefits of chocolate almond cookies. Antioxidant-rich, dark chocolate used in these cookies contains antioxidants that can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Heart-healthy fats. Almonds are a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can contribute to heart health and lower bad cholesterol levels. Nutritional value. Almonds provide essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and protein, which are beneficial for overall health. Vitamin C boost. The optional addition of strawberries brings a dose of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports the immune system and skin health. Chocolate almond cookies with optional strawberries are a delightful treat that combines the richness of chocolate and almonds with the refreshing taste of strawberries. These cookies are perfect for enjoying as a sweet treat or sharing with loved ones. Savor the flavors and enjoy the nutritional benefits these cookies have to offer. Remember, SLS means subscribe and like and share in Facebook and WhatsApp. Rate the video 1 to 10 in the comments.